I don't know how many times they go one una Igbos wey dey Lagos. E be like say they don dey beg una. They don dey beg. They don dey beg. They don dey beg una. Many years ago, na so na invite Dean Odumegwu to trade fair for Lagos. Say make him come commission trade fair. Oi, wetin he tell una? Una still remember? Ewu kwenu, ewu kwenu.
Oh, I'm not too
Hey,
much.
some shout, some no shout. No. But now wetin he tell una? Come warn una that time, say make una no try build houses that place. E be like say the thing enter one ear, comot to that ear. Now that was not enough. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came out again to e be like say na to rephrase wetin him talk, wetin him tell una. If you want that his video or voice note where they go viral now, where they talk that about Ladipo market being destroyed, that Igbo should get ready, their houses should be next. It be like say the thing they enter here, they come out for this place. Just imagine building. Some people self, if you watch the video, you see some self just it be like say the house now they just packing a month ago, some 6 months ago. Duplex, beautiful houses. You are seeing that? Beautiful houses just demolished. Sweat. The other man, some complained that they bought the land, every building it was about, and building was about 300 million. Just imagine. Not only that, up to 4 landlords, according to Vanguard itself. I remember watching Vanguard's report. There are about 4 landlords come by because of this destruction of property. You know what they pay me now? Not the destruction of the property. Now because say you get people now we don't still buy land. You get some also wait still they build as I speak to you now. As I speak, some people, they build land, they build houses, they build mansions. As I speak, they are aware that their properties of their brothers are destroyed. He that has ear, making here. If you know what to do, carry that money, go to East and invest. You know they see what outside guys they do for Abuja. Outside guys for Abuja, you know they see what they do. It is they know who money. Some of them hold money. Because they know that place is not their land, they try to rent a place, be staying. Why they invest the whole thing in their own land? Now so it's supposed to be. Common sense, Igbo man is supposed to get sense. That place if they stay for Lagos, so rent, just find a rented apartment, live like a low key. Then the money, as they get money, find a data business in the East and invest your money there and be getting money from there. Why you stay here in a rented apartment, you can build a house there in the East. It's a common sense. You understand? Dimojuku has warned you. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has warned you. Who else do you want to warn you? Now, the federal government is giving you, I mean, the state government, they're now, they're not giving you the tea you deserved. You understand? You know the hear word. You know the hear word. In fact, I beg those who have watched this video, please like and share this video. And you are watching for the first time, please follow. I'm not happy. Follow Mr. Niger, alright? For more updates. Thank you and good luck.